Now let's move to the International System of Units, SI unit. To keep measurement consistent worldwide, scientists use the International System of Units, SI unit. It's a universal system that ensures we all measure things the same way, no matter where we are. Let's quickly go over some common SI units. For length, length is always measured in meters. Mass is always measured in kilograms. Time, always measured in seconds. Temperature, always measured in Kelvin. Electric current, always measured in amperes. Amount of substance is measured in moles. By using SI units, scientists ensure that measurements are comparable across countries and field of study. Now, let's talk about some of the most common instruments used to measure physical quantities. First, ruler and measuring tapes. Ruler and measuring tapes are used to measure length or distance. The SI unit is in meters. Balance. Balance is used to measure mass. The standard SI unit is in kilograms. We also have stopwatch. Stopwatch is used to measure time. The standard unit is in seconds. Graduated cylinder, used to measure the volume of liquids. The SI unit is in liters or cubic meters. We also have thermometer, used to measure temperature. The SI unit is in Kelvin, but Celsius is commonly used as well. Each of these tools allows us to obtain accurate measurements for different physical quantities, and it's important to use the right tool for the right job. Even though we have precise instruments, errors can happen during measurements. Let's take a look at some types of errors and how to avoid them. First, parallax error. This occurs when you don't look at the scale of an measurement from the correct angle. Always make sure your eyes are level with the reading for accurate results. Secondly, instrument error. This can happen if the instrument isn't calibrated properly. Make sure to use proper calibrated equipment. We also have human error. Sometimes simple mistakes in reading or recording data can cause errors. Double check your work to reduce human errors. Let's quickly recap what we've learned. Physical quantities are properties of objects or phenomena that can be measured, such as length, mass, volume, and time. Base quantities are fundamental, while derived quantities are a combination of these. We use the International System of Units, SI units, to ensure consistent measurement. Accurate measurements require the right tools and an understanding of potential errors. That's it for today's lesson on measurement.